very happy day. Myself from Wonderworld Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Garha, Jabalpur. So today I am going to take the part 2 of multiple and factors. मैंने आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट में मल्टीपल्स के बारे में बताया और अब हम फैक्टर्स के बारे में जानेंगे. So this is very basic. You know, when you start with multiples and factors, and you won't believe I have taken an interview of so many people, they still is confused between what is multiple and what is factors, because basically we start forgetting what the basic is. So we need to read all this. They are very important for competitions also. So let's begin. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe for Wonderworld Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Garha channel, and so let's begin with factors with a quick revision of multiples. Like I said, in multiples, when we read a table, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 8 12 16, this is multiple of 4. But जब हम table लिखते हैं तो we write 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 into 4. Now these are the factors what we are multiplying, and what the answer we are getting is the multiple. So let's see here on the screen, like it is given on the screen. 5 into 7 is 35. Now 35 is the multiple of 5 and 7. What is this 5 and 7? They are the factors of 35. Similarly, 8 into 6 equals to 48. We know 8 6 are 48. Implies 8 and 6 are factors of 48. So whenever we do a table, एक simple अपना दिमाग में concept देखो, जब हम tables पढ़ रहे हैं तो जो आगे लिखा रहता है 4 into 1, that is factors, equals to 4 is a multiple. Multiple of 4 is 4. So factors of 4 is 4 and 1. Similarly, 4 into 2 equals to 8. तो 8 के क्या factors हो गए? 4 and 2. This is the way. अगर हम tables को दिमाग में रखें तो जो आगे हम multiple लिखते हैं, जो आगे हम multiply करते हैं दो digits को, वो factors होते हैं. जो हमारा आंसर है वो हमारा multiple होता है. अब let's see how do we find out these multiples. It's very simple. How to find out these factors of the multiples. Now is 8 a factor of 112? अब जब tables हैं तो हमें tables 12 तक ही आते हैं. Now how to find it out? So the thing is, you divide the number by the number जिसका आपसे factor पूछा जा रहा है. हम 8 को 112 को 8 से divide कर देंगे and we see the remainder is 0. So the answer will be yes, 8 is a factor of 112. Now let's see, if we multiply 8 into 14 times, let me have the previous slide. If we multiply 8 into 14, the answer will be 112. So 8 का 8 जो है वो 112 का factor है. Similarly, I have taken another example, and that is 12 a factor of 1625. Similar method करेंगे हम, 1625 को 12 से divide करेंगे. पर जब हम ये करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि हमारे पास remainder 5 बच रहा है. That is 1625 is not a factor of 112. Sorry, it's not a factor of 12. जब हम 1625 में 5 और add कर देंगे, that is we make it 1630, तब वो 12 का factor हो जाएगा. This is the way we find out कि हम किसी number को कितना add करें या subtract करें कि वो दूसरे का factor, उसका factor हम बना सकें. So 1625 is not a factor of 12. Now let's see the important properties of factors. See, when 1 into 12, 6 2s are 12, 3 into 5, 4 3s are 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. हमेशा जब हम factors लिखते हैं तो हम इनको ascending order में ही लिखते हैं, 1 2 3 4. ऐसा नहीं लिखेंगे 1 12 2 6 3 4, जबकि सभी इसके factors हैं, पर हम लिखेंगे 1 2 3, then we'll come back 4 6 12. So these are factors of 12, and the smallest factor obviously is 1 and the largest factor is 12. So 1 is a factor of every number, and the number itself is the largest factor of that number. Now let's see the properties. Now the common factors if we take out. A number that is a factor of 2 or more number is called a common factor. जैसे अगर हमको कहा 16 और 24 के common factors बताइए. So we were talking about common factors. A number that is factor of 2 or more number is called common factor. Now find out common factors of 16 and 24. So we will put down 16 into 1, 8 into 2, 4 4s are 16. जितने के भी टेबल में हमें 16 आता लगेगा उतनों को हम उसका फैक्टर्स मान लेंगे. So what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now 24, 24, 1s are 24, 12, 2s are 24, 8, 3s are 24, 6, 4s are 24. So factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now we have to take out the common factors. So common factor है 1, 2, 3 is not common, 4, then 8, then यहाँ 12 है वहाँ 16 है. So the common factors of 16 and 24 are 1, 2, 4 and then we have 8. So these are the common factors of 16 and 24. I am sure you might have understood this. If you have any problem, put it in the comment box and I am sure I'll come to it and try to clear it up. With that, thank you very much. Keep watching Wonder World Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Garha, Jabalpur maths papers and the worksheets of course. Thank you. Bye.